Hello friends, in today's lecture I will tell you how to add two binary bits and find the sum and carry using half header. So here is the LabVIEW program. This is a structure of a half header. Now we create a half header in LabVIEW NXG. For that purpose I directly go to a new window, new VI. Over here I require two inputs. In this case, here is my input A and here is my input B. This is my input signal or true false signal. Then I require a output signal indicator. Let here is my output signal. It is for carry, and another one is sum. So again I require another indicator which shows me sum. So here is my front panel or panel. Now I go to my diagram. In this case, as you see, I require exclusive OR and AND gate to perform this task. So I go to my boolean. Over here I require one exclusive OR and one AND gate, and from here I require inputs. A and B are my inputs, and here is my carry and here is my sum. As you see in the picture, exclusive OR gives me the sum and AND gate gives me the carry. So I directly connect A and B. AND gate gives me sum, carry, not sum. So I place this over here, and this is my sum. Here is my A input, here is my B input. So this is my program in LabVIEW NXG for half adder. I can mention half adder circuit. So as you know, when I run it, 0 0 gives me 0 0. When A is high, 0 1 0 gives me 1, and when 1 1 are there, it gives me 1 0. Okay, so this is my, in this case a carry is generated because 1 1 gives me 1 0, so only carry is there. So this is my program for half adder in LabVIEW NXG. Thank you.